remember your dream, even they seem far, because you never know how close you are. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 29th of March 2021 to 4th of April 2021. You know very well my predictions are based on ascendant sign and based on Indian Vedic astrology. Nothing to do with Western astrology. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen to my video. You will definitely get some information related to upcoming week as per your ascendants. So guys, let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants this whole week from 29th of March 2021 to 4th of April 2021. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. You will be on another height of success and confidence. You will achieve a lot of goals, a lot of milestones. You will earn some additional earning. You will earn some money as a commission, as a brokerage, as a rental income, or any type of, you will earn some unexpected money, or you will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you in the terms of your professional life. Your seniors are very satisfied from your performance. Monday, when you're feeling very positive, and your family will support you, your friends will support you. Monday and Tuesday, you will enjoy all-round success. If you're a businessman, if you are importer, exporter, if you are any type of shopkeeper, you will blessed with a big amount of profit. And Wednesday and Thursday, Aries ascendants for you. You need to be careful in the day of Wednesday, because Wednesday will bring a lot of confusion, instability in your mind. You're thinking very negative about yourself. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed because dynamics is not in your favor. Wednesday and Thursday, you need to perform your best. Must chant mantras. Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. And must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. More you chant this mantra, more you read this Chalisa, you will feel good, positive energy. And Wednesday and Thursday, don't be a part of any argument. Don't be a part of any problem. Try to avoid arguments. Try to avoid any type of fighting with anyone. Just focus on your work. Perform your best. It is Wednesday and Thursday. You need to be careful, alert. Must go for your urine test. Some small stomach related trouble or some backbone related trouble will irritate you. It is Wednesday and Thursday. You need to perform your best, because this is struggling days for you. Friday and Saturday, you will be bounced back. You will be in a good position, but mentally you are not happy. You are trying to perform your best, but you have failed to get positive results, because dynamics are not in your favor. Don't start anything new. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't trust on stranger. Don't be a part of any problem. Don't give guarantee to any stranger or any your friend, because from Wednesday to Saturday night, time is not in your favor. Give some respect to your spouse. Try to perform your best in your personal relationship as well as professional relationship. This whole week, it is only Monday and Tuesday will be saving grace for you, when you will earn money, name, fame, position. Your seniors will be satisfied. Otherwise, Wednesday to till Saturday night, you will be a part of any problem, some unnecessary headache or some unnecessary confusion will there. You will face a lot of, instability in your mind. Must read this mantra. Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. And must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep. Must visit Lord Hanuman temple every Tuesday night and every Saturday night, and sit there and offering some sweet like motichur ke laddu to Lord Hanumanji. Try to wear red color clothes. Try to wear yellow color, red color, or white color clothes. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 29th of March 2021 to 4th of April 2021. Your whole game will be changed. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of peace of mind. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. Whatever you are doing, you will get fantastic results. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate time for you. You will get recognition. You will get name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. You will get some extra money. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Good gains are there. Your friends will support you. Your family will support you. But your family or your friends may demand something from you which you are not going to fulfill due to some reason. But overall, Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate time for you. Wednesday and Thursday, there is a strong chances you may go for some short distance journeys. Or you may spend some quality time with your colleagues or your near or dear or maybe with your friends. And you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Wednesday and Thursday will be a biggest game changer time for you when you will enjoy all-around success in your professional life. If you are a businessman, if you are a manufacturer, if you are liquid merchant, if you are a real estate merchant, you will definitely blessed with a good amount of profit. Wednesday and Thursday will be rewarding days for you. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friend. There is a strong chances you may go for some short distance, long distance journey with your family or friends. This whole week will bring a lot of positivity. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. If you are unemployed, you are trying to find a job, you will definitely get job. Because your ascendant slot transit in your 11th house, which is a very strong position of your ascendant slot in exalted sign. Your savings will rise, you will get growths. And as per moon position in this whole week from Monday to Saturday night, you will sky high, you will be top, you will feel much relaxed and comfort, and your all problems will be sorted out. Your savings will rise, your finances will be upgraded, you will enjoy very good health, you will enjoy very good time, you will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 29th of March to 4th of April 2021. Gemini, you need to perform your best. This week create a lot of problem, lot of hurdles. You're not feeling comfortable. You're thinking a lot Monday and Tuesday, but you are failed to achieve good things. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You may be a part of any problem, any litigation, or any type of government related issues. Some government related penalties are there. Be careful while driving because Monday and Tuesday is not very productive time for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will enjoy better days. You will earn small amount of profit. If you are unemployed, you may get job, but positions are not very promising. But Wednesday and Thursday will be far better days compared to Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, you're trying to perform your best and you will get good results. There's no doubt, but not as per your expectations. Friday and Saturday, your family will support you. You must take some blessing from your father's side. You must give respect to your father, to your grandfather, if you want to grow in this week. This whole week, you will get mixed results. Monday and Tuesday will be struggling days. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get small profits. You will enjoy good time at your workplace, but you're not in comfort zone. You're out from comfort zone. And weekend, you may spend good time with a spouse or loved one, but you are not feeling positive. So stay positive, stay calm, must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa and must wear emerald right hand ring finger if you are working man. If you are working woman, then you also wear emerald right hand ring finger. If you are house woman, then you wear emerald left hand ring finger. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 29th of March to 4th of April 2021. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Your business is going to give you very good profit. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are able to fulfill your old targets on time. This whole time, Monday and Tuesday, you will be on another height of success. Just need to perform your best. Some unexpected money will knock you. Some foreign transactions are there. Some foreign journeys are there. You may plan some short distance or long distance journeys in Monday and Tuesday. If you are importer exporter, you may get some foreign transactions. Cash flow will make you happy. Wednesday and Thursday, you will again sky high. Your seniors will appreciate your efforts. You are trying to perform your best and you are delivering your 100% performance at your workplace. Cancer, perform your best, must take blessings from your mother's side. You need to be careful about your mother health. Your mother health will be a matter of concern Wednesday and Thursday. But overall, in professional life, you will be top and sky high and you will enjoy very good health. Friday and Saturday, you are a little bit confused, disturbed. Don't invest your money in anywhere, especially Friday and Saturday. don't trust on strangers. Try to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, a lot of good gains, a lot of good tie-ups with your family and friends. The more you socialize yourself, the more you get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders, 29th March, from 4th of April 2021. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will be blessed with a small amount of profit. Your pending work will click. If you are willing to apply loan, your loan will be approved. You may buy new vehicle. You may invest your money in real estate. If you are trying to invest your money in property, or if you are trying to invest your money in any type of stock market related business, then Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding time for you. You will earn very good money. You will earn a lot of opportunity. You will get a lot of opportunities. Wednesday and Thursday, you are a little bit confused and disturbed. Health of your father will be a matter of concern. Be careful. Focus on your father's health. Spend some time with your father. Give some respect to your father. Financially, you will be in a better position, but you are not feeling comfortable. You are out from your comfort zone. Mentally, you are disturbed. You are thinking a lot without any reason. Friday and Saturday will be a game changer days for you, when you will get good support from higher authority. You will be blessed with a lot of good gains. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Leo must wear red ruby, right hand or index finger, and must wear 7-mukhi Rudraksh. You will be blessed with a lot of gains. You will be blessed with a lot of new business opportunities. This whole week, Leo, is a wonderful week for you for making some new plans, because very soon you will enter in a very positive events of your life when Jupiter enter in your 7th house from 6th of April. Just wait for the few days. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Sanders. Virgo Sanders, 29th March to 4th April 2021, Monday and Tuesday will be struggling days for you. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low energy. Stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble, eyesight related trouble will irritate you. Your nervous system will be breakdown. Need to be careful. Focus on your health. Perform your best. This whole time, Monday and Tuesday, you are trying to perform your best. You have put your 100% effort at your workplace, but you have failed to deliver good results. But you have failed to get good results. Your seniors are not satisfied from you. Don't be a part of any problem. Don't be a part of any litigation or arguments at your workplace. Pay your taxes and bills on time. Tuesday and Monday is not good days for you, Virgo. Don't start anything new. Wednesday and Thursday will be a far, far better days, when you're feeling very positive. Your health will be good. Your source of earning will develop. Your seniors will be satisfied. Your relationship with your seniors will be better side. And you are able to fulfill your all targets at your workplace. If you are a businessman, if you are importer-exporter, you will definitely be blessed with a lot of gains. Perform your best. Take your blessing from your sisters or Bhuaji. Try to give some gift as a token of love to your sister or Bhuaji. You will definitely get a lot of blessing from there. It will be a biggest game changer remedy for you. Friday and Saturday, mixed fruit you will get. Friday is a far better day, but Saturday you are getting confused, disturbed. Some family matters will create a lot of problem in your mind. Your health will be matter of concern. Relationship with your kids, relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Your kids may demand something from you which you are not able to fulfill. Try to best in your relationship. Try to give your best in your professional life as well. Virgo, the more you put efforts, the more you think positive, the more you perform best, the more you get good results. Otherwise, you will be part of any problem. Must offer some Motichur ke laddu to Lord Ganesh Ji. Read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. More you chant Lord Ganesh Chalisa, more you feel positive energy. I'm going to talk about Libra Sanders. Libra Sanders, 29th of March to 4th of April. This whole week create a lot of mixed results for you. Monday and Tuesday will be a good days for you, when you will be feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will enjoy all around success. Monday and Tuesday, some unexpected money will knock you. There is no doubt. But your health will be matter of concern. Some unnecessary burden are there. Your mind is not comfort zone. You may perform your best at your workplace, there is no doubt, but health point of view, the time is not very promising. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any litigation or arguments at your workplace. Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your business associates. You need to be careful while talking with your near and dears. And you need to be careful about your eating habits. Try to avoid oily food and junk food on Wednesday and Thursday. Must read Lakshmi Chalisa every morning, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. Try to wear diamond, right hand, middle finger. Friday and Saturday, you will blessed with the gains. If you're a businessman, if you're an importer, exporter, you will blessed with the smart gains, but you're not feeling comfortable. Something is missing there in your mind because you have tried to perform best. You will get only 60-70% results. But by the grace of God, this 70% results is not less than. As per astrology, this is more than enough. But you're not satisfied the way you get results because you are expected 100% results. So you have to wait. Once Jupiter change its sign, you will definitely feel much relaxed and comfort. But this whole time, you need to be careful about your unexpected expenditures. Friday and Saturday, you must spend your money on luxury item. Without any reason, you may spend your money as a wastage. Don't spend your money too much. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, 29th March to 4th April 2021, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding time for you. You will be blessed with the foreign transactions. You will be blessed with the unexpected gains. If you are a stockbroker, if you are an investor, if you are real estate merchant or investor, you will definitely be blessed with a big amount of money. Scorpio, Monday and Tuesday will be a very rewarding days for you. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best and you will get fantastic results. If you're a businessman, you will get awesome results. You will get big orders from far away place. You may plan some foreign journeys related to your business activities and you will get very rewarding time. You will get very fruitful period. Wednesday and Thursday, your mother will support you. Your spouse will support you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will plan some holidays with your family or friends and you will be in a comfort zone. You will enjoy all around success. If you're willing to settle in foreign land, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a wonderful time for applying your visa. If you're willing to apply PR, then you must apply on Wednesday and Thursday. Very soon you will get fantastic results because Saturn 10th aspect is in your 12th house. Friday and Saturday, you will be blessed with the smart gains. But you need to be careful talking with your siblings. Don't show your ego or attitude. Overall, this whole week brings a lot of gains, a lot of positive events will knock you. You will get a lot of opportunities, Scorpio. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. This whole week, 29th March to 4th of April, you will plan a lot of things. And very soon you will execute your things in reality and you will become millionaire. But this week, don't start anything new. Monday and Tuesday, you're feeling disturbed. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern. You're not focused on your work. Your seniors will be satisfied with your performance, but you are failed to give your good results at your workplace. Your colleagues, they are jealous from you because you're performing very well in last few weeks. Monday and Tuesday, don't be a part of arguments with your colleagues, with your business associates. And focus on your mother health because your mother health will be a matter of concern. Sagittarius, Wednesday and Thursday, you will be blessed with a good amount of money. Your business will going to give you very fruitful results. You will plan a lot of good things and you will get fantastic results. You need to perform your best. You need to put your 100% effort. Think positive. Don't think negative because negative thinking creates a lot of problems on your success path. Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be another height of success. Your spouse will support you. Your father will support you. You will be on another height of, confidence. Friday and Saturday, you will plan some holidays with your family and friend. You will spend your money on your vacations. Sagittarius, this is the ultimate time for you. when you plan a lot of things, but you have to wait till 6th April. Don't execute your plan from 29th of March to 4th of April. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Monday and Tuesday, you will be blessed with a small amount of money. You will be blessed with a good profit from your business. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You're feeling much relaxed, comfort. Your health will be fine. Relationship will be ultimate with your father, your mother, your siblings. They all are support you. Relationship with your spouse will be in better side, but you need to be careful. Saturn transit in your first house, aspecting is on your Pati Bhav, your husband house, 7th house, your spouse house. Don't take any decision without advise your elders at your home related to your personal life. You may invest your money anywhere, you will get very good results. Wednesday and Thursday, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will earn good money. You will earn good name, fame, prosperity. You will spend wonderful time with your kids. Weekend, Friday and Saturday, you will be sky high. You will be top. You will enjoy all-round success. Capricorn, this is the ultimate week for you. When you will plan a lot of things and you may apply in your professional life, because your professional life will be sky high. Friday and Saturday, you will be blessed with a big amount. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all-round success. This whole week, Capricorn, you will be another height of success, confidence, courage. Your siblings, your family, your parents will support you. Try to be humble while talking with your spouse. Give some respect and honor, and you keep faith on your life partner. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa before sleep. One coconut, rounded 17 times anti-clockwise, throw out in running water on Saturday morning. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants this whole week, 29 March to 4th April. Don't invest your money anywhere. Monday and Tuesday will be struggling time for you. Stomach-related trouble will irritate you. Nervous system-related trouble will irritate you. You are not in a comfort zone. Health-related matter will be a matter of concern. Your mother health will be a matter of concern. You may plan some foreign activities. You may plan any type of investment, but this is not a right week. This is not a right time. Monday and Tuesday, you'll be part of any problem, any type of litigation. Try to pay your bills and taxes on time. Don't deliver anything to anyone on Monday and Tuesday. Don't give promise to anyone to deliver anything because you are not able to fulfill in this week. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be bounced back. You will earn a lot of money from your old investment. Finances will be upgraded. Savings will rise. Family will support you. You will enjoy very good health. Friday and Saturday, you again bounce back. Some unexpected gains will knock you. Your desires will be fulfilled. Your contacts from higher authority will give you very fruitful results. This whole week will be ultimate for you, Aquarius. From Wednesday to Saturday night, you will enjoy all-round success. Perform your best. Must wear white topaz, emerald, right hand index finger, white topaz, right hand ring finger, emerald. You will definitely feel relaxed, positive energy. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. This whole week you will be blessed with the unexpected money. Monday, Tuesday and Thursday will be a wonderful days for you. If you want to start anything new, you may start on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. And you must start from the name of your father. You should take blessings from your father's side. You should touch feet of your father every day morning before start your day. You will be blessed with the unexpected money from your old investment. Your friends will support you. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy all-around success. 29th March to 4th April, you will be on another height of success. Don't show your attitude or ego in front of anyone. Wednesday and Thursday, your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy multiple sources of earning. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha in your birth chart, you will enjoy a lot of growth. Some foreign transactions will make you happy, or you may plan to start something in foreign land. Pisces, Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your friends and family, but don't show your ego and attitude. Use good words in front of everyone because words play a big role in every relationship. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy life. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.